guys, and I don't know why, because we've already done like a snack attack thing today, but I'm really bored. I just want to make like omelettes. Yay! I've got most of my stuff. I've got pickles, salami, cheese, cream cheese, ham. The fuck is this? Strawberry slices, and the most important ingredient, eggs. So I just literally need to crack them first. Okay, one. That was my fridge going off. Do that, I'm just gonna wash my hands. Yolk. That's all the eggs we need. You only just need like literally 2. La 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 la. I'll just stop there. You literally just do it till it looks like that. Like really kind of yellow and creamy, I guess. Oh god, just got yolk everywhere. I'm really messy today. Okay, and then you just get your stuff and you... I'm only having one thing of everything. Oh, the strawberry's gone already. It's fine. You literally just put it in the mixture with it. La 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 la. Mine's gonna be really meaty. Just open the ham. I've got most of my shit in the thing. I just need to grate the cheese. That is only good. I don't think you really need much cheese because I don't think you'll taste it much anyway. So if you put a lot in, just I don't know. Apparently, dairy helps your bones, but kind of destroys your organs. And I don't know how that works. It helps your bones, but destroys your organs. Says my scientist brother. Oh my god, this takes forever. La 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 la. So how are you guys? Hey, Aaron. Do you want
Can you get out of the kitchen while I need to make something to eat because I need to get picked up right now?
Oh, do you want that?
Huh?
Do you want that?
No, I need to make a quick run. I need to be getting bright as well.
I guess we'll be back later. My fucking brother took the cheese. I have to grate it again. Now I've finally done it. That's actually a bit too much cheese. Oh my god, I can't get it right. Oh well, it's gonna be a meaty, cheesy load of shit. What do you do? Okay, now I've got... Oh my god. Okay, now I just need to literally stir it together. La 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 la. If this pours into the thing, I'll be amazed. I don't know if I should add another egg now because it's quite thick. Just literally add any shit to the mixture you want. Shit, I forgot the pickles. I'll be back once I cut them. Okay, I've got my pickles in now. Nom. Just need to mix those up with it. La, la, la. Okay, that is about... Fuck. Go in. Okay, that's about done. Now we just need to put it in a pan. And then we need to cook it. Oh god, I'm sad. Oliver, we need some olive oil. Ooh, ooh. Stir it around the pan. La, 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 la. I'll see you guys later after my omelet is done. Nom nom nom. No, you do not stick to the edge. I'm terrible at flipping omelettes, like turning them over, because that's when they go fucked up. So sometimes one side ends up burnt, or just they're literally just, it's broke up in all parts. And I will see you when this omelette is finished, and I will be eating it, and you will be jealous because it looks so good. I just wanted to show you how terrible I am at flipping. Oh no, don't grab the thing. This is now scrambled shit. It's just scrambled shit. Oh my god. Disappointment. We made scrambled shit. Mmm. Nom nom. 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 Okay, thanks for watching. Oh, hot. Blah, blah, blah.